Princess Peaches! Hello, my friends! Today I would like to share with you how to sculpt such a beautiful Princess Peaches for your art or for your bedroom, just decoration. So let's start it. So let's start it, guys. We're just gonna take kitchen foil. So first you have to scoop with the foil, and after we're gonna put the clay and start sculpting our princess. So now I'm gonna do her neck.
What's the shape of her face gonna be? Some
I always have polymer clay pre-baked. This is baked polymer clay like that, well, like that. I always have them. I just prepare them nearly 200 something, and I use for any creation what I need. I don't have to do all the time. So when you do such a polymer ideas, you have to have that. Okay, so we're gonna insert her eyes. All right, and now we're gonna build her nose.
So now our princess is nearly finished. Now we're gonna bake her, and after that's it. You're gonna just correct whatever. If you want to varnish, you're gonna varnish. It's up to you. Let's bake. Well, our princess is ready, and as you can see, it's so easy to sculpt. You just have to have a kitchen foil, some clay, and some pencils. So guys, follow my instruction, sculpt for yourself or for your friend. Just have fun. Remember, practice, practice, practice. Bye for now.